Mrs. Johnson.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, I did. The child is now 18. I would like to be relieved of the child support payments.
Continue.
Because I've fulfilled my obligations in the amicable split that we had. So since the child is 18, I would like to be relieved of child support payments.
Okay.
The father's frustration finally boils over. His son isn't just an 18-year-old. He's a young adult living with a disability. This case isn't about what it says on a birth certificate. It's about real, ongoing need. As the judge leans in, the mother...
About that?
Ma'am, I don't know what kind of Afrocentrickery she's trying to run up in here, but it costs money to raise a child. I understand he's 18, but he's handicapped. He's special.
Okay, so now we're getting to the meat of it, because that's not what she just presented to me.
Well, she's
just
acting special right now because she don't want to.
Well, sir, let's not do name calling. That's not nice.
I didn't call her no names, ma'am. I'm just saying she's acting special. All I know is this: it costs money to take care of this child.
Month after month, the father has been covering his son's expenses on his own. He's a mechanic by trade, fixing cars to keep the lights on. But beneath the oil-stained hands is a man carrying a burden that no parent should have to face alone.
Ability does he have?
He has a mental disability, ma'am.
Okay. What type of medical bills does he have?
Currently, my bills are running about $1,800 a month. I have a garage. Obviously, by my dress and appearance today, I'm a simple man. But I make a clean living, do what I have to do. But I can only fix so many cars a day and have to put on helmets and change stuff. I don't have...
Vocational training, weekly speech therapy, these aren't nice to haves. They're essential. The father lays out every service his son relies on. His voice cracks with emotion. Because this isn't just about money, it's about love.
Medical expenses does the child have on a monthly basis?
He has rehabilitation.
Okay.
He also has some vocational training skills to help him. We're trying to get him out there on his own a little bit.
Okay.
And he also has a speech therapist that comes in once a week also to help him out.
Okay. And other than that, is he does he have any other disabilities or anything?
Not really, other than, you know, her not being around ever.
Okay.
That's the only disability that's really got it.
So, what about the mother? When asked about her role in caring for their son, her response leaves the room stunned. She's busy. She's traveling. She has another child to raise. But parenting doesn't pause for convenience. And the judge isn't buying it.
Child support, and you hear about all of the care that it takes to take care of your adult child who's disabled, well, has special needs.
Your Honor,
make this good.
I'm going to make this good. Due to the fact that I have been around, I do contribute, I am there. My job takes me all over the world. Not only do I'm an educator, but I also have another son as well too, who is 16. I'm in both.
The judge cuts in. Enough with the justifications. Just the rehab alone runs $400 a month, and that's only scratching the surface. She tried to downplay the situation, but the courtroom deals in facts.
Need a little reprieve, because there are certain things that I need to do with cash. Certain investments I want to make.
When I speak, you stop talking, okay?
Sure.
You're doing a whole lot of talking, and you're not saying anything, okay? Your child has needs that this man pays for. Rehab alone is $400 a month. Is this an expense that a doctor has told you that's going to be ongoing in the future?
Me, ma'am?
More questions follow. The mother claims she only makes $10,000 a year, but something doesn't add up. That's when the father produces solid proof, and suddenly, the tide turns.
Stop paying child support today. You know what, ma'am? According to the paperwork that you provided, your child support is based on your annual income of $30,000 a year, right?
That is correct.
How much are you making now?
Probably a little more over 10,000
Okay.
over that.
You know what? Let me ask him, because I don't think some of the information you're giving me is very truthful. Sir, how much
Yes, ma'am.
money does she make a year that you know of?
When we first did the situation, she was making 30.
Her actual income, $42,000. Not 10, not 15, $42,000 a year. And yet, she stood in court claiming financial hardship. The judge's patience wears thin.